The nest building team. The morning sun warms the open sky. Swallow flaps her wings with excitement. She dreams of building a safe nest. But the twigs are heavy and far. She sighs, wondering how to begin. Swallow picks up a thin twig. She carries it to the tall tree. Her wings grow tired from flying. One twig is not enough for a nest. She realizes she needs more help. Sparrow notices Swallow working alone. He flutters close with a friendly chirp. "What are you doing, Swallow?" he asks. "I'm building a nest, but it's hard." Sparrow nods, ready to help her. Sparrow grabs a twig with his beak. He flies beside Swallow to the tree. Together, they place the twigs gently. Swallow smiles, her heart feels lighter. Two birds working makes the job easier. Dove lands softly near the busy pair. She tilts her head and watches kindly. "May I join your work today?" Swallow and Sparrow welcome her with joy. Three friends now share the task together. Each bird carries sticks from the ground. Sparrow picks the small, thin branches. Dove carries the stronger and thicker ones. Swallow weaves twigs carefully into the nest. Their teamwork makes the structure stronger. The tree sways gently in the wind. The half-built nest rests between branches. Swallow pats it with her wings. She chirps happily, feeling proud of progress. Her friends cheer and flap beside her. They return for more twigs together. The sky fills with fluttering wings. Birds fly in circles, carrying branches high. Their shadows dance across the meadow below. The nest grows larger with every trip. At last, the nest looks full and round. The twigs interlock, safe and sturdy. Swallow tests it by sitting inside. It feels warm, safe, and welcoming. Her friends gather proudly around her. Swallow spreads her wings with gratitude. "This is not just my nest," she says. "It is our friendship nest forever." Sparrow and Dove sing with her joyfully. Together they celebrate teamwork and friendship.